So I have a great home automation system, and I like to be able to recognize commands like turn on the lights, wake me up tomorrow at 7, what time is it in Paris, open the door, and so on. I'd like to show you how easy it is to do that with Wit. I've started on wit.ai, log in with my GitHub account, and here is my Wit instance. So when I start, my instance doesn't know anything about what I want to build. It makes no assumption on my domain. Let's start by teaching Wit how to turn on the lights. So it works with examples. I type turn on the lights in the kitchen. And when somebody says that, I want Wit to return a JSON to me with an intent, a user intent that I'm gonna call lights. And I need to capture if the user say want to turn on or turn off the lights. So I will ask Wit to extract an entity. So there are many entities that Wit can extract. You can create your own, but we also have built-in entities that are very well trained off the shelf. So in this case, I want an on-off variable with the value on. I also need to extract a room where I want to turn on the lights. So this is kitchen. I'm gonna create an entity for that. So it's not a built-in entity. Like on-off, I will create one called room. And the value I want in this case is kitchen. So I will validate this example, and you see the status lights became arranged because now Wit has something to learn. Only one example, and in a few seconds it will be green again, meaning that Wit has taken everything I told him it will count. So it's green. Let's make another one. Switch off the lights in the bedroom. And great, you see that Wit already understood its lights intent. On-off is off, so because I used the built-in entities, it was easy for Wit to know it's off, and it matched the room to bedroom. So right now we have only one intent Wit knows about the lights. Let's do the alarm thing. So wake me up tomorrow at 6. Again, I only work with examples. So because we just know about lights, it will think this is a light intent, but with a very low confidence, 0.3. So of course it is not lights intent. That's why we create alarm intent. And for this one, I need to extract the date and time. So we have a great entity called datetime doing just this work for you. So you see that Wit can resolve tomorrow at 6 into February 11 at 6 a.m. So, okay. And now we try something like wake me at noon on Saturday, just to check it works. Alarm, daytime, Saturday, noon, great. Okay, I will validate it. It's one more example. We'll also teach Wit how to tell the time. Let's say, what time is it in London? So I will create a time intent, and I need to extract London as a location. And this is it. So in just a few minutes, I created 3 intents: alarm, lights, time, and normally I would create something like open the door, turn the TV on, and so on, but you see how it works. So we created a room entity, and I'm gonna add more rooms. So we have the living room, we have the office, and it should be fine for now. So now my instance is already ready to be called through the API. You can send text to the API, or you can stream audio with the speech information to the API. I'm going to get my authorization token and try to call my new instance with audio. So this is the width for websites component is just HTML, and we use WebRTC to stream the audio. So let's try to turn on the lights in the kitchen, for instance. Turn on the lights in the kitchen. Okay, so you see we streamed the audio to width, and we got the transcription of my voice, turn on the lights in the kitchen, great. And the output is intent is lights, on off is on, and room is kitchen. That's good. Let's try another one. Wake me up tonight at 8. Wake me up tonight at 8, intent alarm, and it's for 8 p.m. tonight. Great. So you see how easy it is to query the width API once you've built your instance. One great feature when we start is the inbox. Every time width processes a query, you will see it here, and you can listen to the audio that was sent by the user. Wake me up tonight at 8. Right? And you can see what was the output. In this case, that's okay. I just validate, but I could create more intents or correct it further using this workflow. So it's very, very fast to increment and to match your what users actually ask to your home. Believe me, it's impossible to forecast anything that people will ask from your meeting room. You have to, from your desk. You have to get your system in production or in beta version and then increment with the inbox. So let's validate this example.